see this thing are the natural way to heat water when you go bathing.
Just left it outside.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So the picnic.
Yeah.
So you just heat, the sun just heat it up.
Yes, man, warm water. So it's natural warm water, as you could see. See that bucket there? So if you live in the countryside, remember, you know, this is we say off the grid.
Yeah.
So if you're in places like this, even though we have water inside, but we like to use the traditional way for bathe. So you set a pan of water outside in the sun.
Yeah.
Brother and Nancy style. Remember Brother and Nancy? say we'll make the thing get hotter.
Yeah.
Hotter.
What happened now?
Yeah, man. Welcome again to another episode, another video, another landmarker. And this one is, I'm quite impressed, you know, watching this video here, and I'm quite impressed with what really happened. And sometimes, you know, sometimes you do something and you didn't even realize where it can go, where it can lead to. You understand? I see this little Empress here in Jamaica. You know, when Wadamaya was there, and you know, he was talking about her. And first and foremost, if it's the first time to the channel, please like, share, subscribe. Give me your thought, give me your views on this one. Yeah? Help the channel to grow. You understand? Because this is how you support the channel. Subscribe, comment, share your views. All right? And for the last couple of videos I did, you know what I mean, big up on yourself, enough respect to all the people were really, you know, show the support for the channel. And all my new subscribers, welcome to Taz Pro Media. Yeah, man, enough respect. Anyway, let me get into it. This one is classical because how the whole thing happened and the whole thing play out. And you never know when an opportunity, you never know when is the next shine. You never know. You understand? So don't count me out. Anyway, in the meantime, between time, Jamaica time, Wadamaya time, big up Wadamaya every time. Big up to all of the African content creators that's traveling, showing, giving people the knowledge. Because this is what it's about. It's about having fun. This is about, you know, sharing knowledge, experience. This is what it is. You know what I mean? Because sometimes people want to move. Some people have fantasies. Some people want to go different areas and try different things and see different nations and people. Travel. You understand? That's the main thing. Anyway, it's your host, your boy Taz, inside there. But this one I know, like I say, I was getting to it. This Empress here, approached by Wadamaya, and he was talking, and she has never left Jamaica, and it's like a dream come true. She and her father, they speak the local language that's, you know, a lot of African country in Africa speak, Swahili. And she's a Jamaican, never left Jamaica yet. But them study the African culture, them study our heritage, them study our roots, our grassroots, how them call it, the foundation. You understand? And one of the things is, what was impressed, I was impressed too, because when me hear she start speak this language, Swahili, you know, she was speaking in Swahili, African language. I know they speak it in Tanzania, and I'm sure they speak it in Kenya as well, right? But when you look at this Empress here, this young Empress here, you couldn't even tell she's Jamaican. If you hear she speak, and if you see her in Tanzania or even Kenya, you could never tell her Jamaican. That for sure it's the same people. You understand? But without no further delay, more you hear this for yourself. Yeah, man, listen.
Who speaks fluent Swahili. I was blown away and had to do a video on it. You can count in Swahili. Count for us in Swahili.
Moja, mbili, tatu, nne, tano, sita, saba, nane, tisa, kumi.
I'm amazed, man. You see, I'm from Ghana.
I was shocked. I was home because during the day we went to Bob Marley's place. So at night I was like, I'm just gonna relax. So I didn't see that. I saw it on Facebook and I was like, oh my God, what is this?
You see, this is one of the things we may talk about, right? We as a people, even when we go to different countries and hear people speak our dialect, our local slang, we feel good as a people because them feel good hearing she speaking the wife language, which is Swahili. And when we go out and hear some people speak patois or thing, we laugh. It's just like, look on the Mango. Can never ever get that name there. But anyway, look on the Mango. When she say, you don't know the thing, we find it funny. We find it fascinating. We embrace these people just like this. And by doing this, it's one of the things where you see what's going to happen for this little girl here and her family. Watch this.
Such a sweet young girl speaking fluent Swahili, and I was like, what? I feel like she even speaks better Swahili than me. Like she speaks better Swahili than most people. So I felt so proud. And the most shocking thing is, where did she learn her Swahili? Has she gone to Africa?
Never leave Jamaica.
You never left Jamaica. So how come you know the Swahili?
I just take interest in it and study it.
On YouTube.
What? And then the dad was so woke. The things the dad was saying about us being Africans and having to teach our children our ways. You find that most people, they want to teach their children the Western ways,
exactly.
Like the American ways, the British ways. But if you know that you're African and you're proud to be African, like her dad, they just made me so proud to be African.
Hey, you're preaching today.
Like I felt it. I'm sorry, I just felt it. Like the dad is woke. We need more such dads. And I'm realizing that most Jamaicans are like that. Rastafarians and many Jamaicans, they're proud to be African. They want to go to Africa, unlike many countries we've been to.
And as soon as I got home, when my wife saw the video, she was like, did you buy her a ticket?
You gotta buy her a ticket. Like, she got to come to Kenya. I mean, I wish I was in Kenya to like host her or something.
But you know what? When I posted the video, a lot of people started asking me, what am I? Did you buy her a ticket?
Yeah.
Is she coming to Africa? Is she going to Kenya or Tanzania?
And that is the main question. Is she going to Africa? And trust me, it started out from a couple of questions and people fascinated. This is how people, first time traveling to a different country, you see, sometimes your opportunity to come through different ways, something that you never dream about, but it reach. Look at this young girl. She never expect this. One of the biggest YouTuber in the world, if not the biggest. You understand? But may I tell you this, is a serious thing. I love it. Enjoy this. Watch this.
And I'm like, wow. Why do you guys always want me to fly everybody? It seems like we're going to fly the entire Caribbean to Africa. But I think it was a popular request. A lot of people offered to host her when she comes to
Kenya
or Tanzania. So you know what I'm going to do? We're definitely going to make it happen. You and I, because listen, I've spent a lot of money on this whole trip. But I believe that as a community, we can raise funds to bring both the father and the daughter to Africa.
Oh my God.
Kenya, to be precise.
And they learn Swahili because Swahili is going to be the African language. It's the most spoken, it's a language spoken by most people in Africa. The African language spoken by most people. So there's English, many people speak English, but you're talking about an African language. And they have proposed, Julius Malema has proposed that it should be made the national language, not just him, so many people.
Swahili is the most practical language, not because it's big, it was one of the big languages. No, it's not, but it's already being spoken in different countries. So you might say Zulu is big, but it's only spoken in South Africa. But once you go with a language that is already in different countries, then you are not going to start from zero.
So you find that many countries are starting to warm up to that idea. So that's
and that's why I got my Swahili lessons now. Mimi ni Maya kutoka Ghana.
Wewe ni mtanashati. What am I saying?
What?
Wewe ni mtanashati.
Watch I know.
You have no idea, but don't worry, you'll get there.
Wait, what did you just say?
Guys, drop a comment. Tell him what I just said. I'm not gonna tell you.
So yeah, we're going to see the family right now, and we're gonna offer them the ticket, even though I don't have the money yet. But I know that I'm gonna put I'm gonna put the link in the description. You all need to support me.
Right,
You know,
let me get to the point now.
yeah, nice to meet you again. How are you doing?
I'm fine, thank you.
Great, good to see you.
So,
Good to see you, man.
All the time from
Yeah.
Kingston, you know, brother.
Yeah,
That's far away, isn't it?
nice to meet you again, man.
Time, brother.
But just imagine an opportunity like this come up. Yeah. You're unaware. You just did an interview and you do your thing and you're gone in your yard. And something like this come up. Can you imagine? I mean, just come on, share this experience. Go through this experience right here, so. You can't get better. You can't get no better than this. Trust me. What you did good. Me love it. You did well. Because me sister, you have a special love for Jamaica. Definitely. And Jamaicans.
Speaking Swahili, you said you learned. How did you learn Swahili? On YouTube.
That's amazing. Oh my goodness.
You know, I also speak Swahili now. You know, when I met her on the first day, I was like, I can't believe that a Jamaican who has never been to Africa or been to Kenya or Tanzania speaks Swahili.
That's shocking. Like, I was so impressed. Like, wow. It takes so long for some people to learn Swahili. Lakini ulijifunza.
Her life is about to change right now. Come through this experience. Like me say, share your thoughts on this one. What's your views on this? What is your perspective from yourself?
Haraka sana. Unanipata? Unanielewa?
You're,
Ama nikuchanganye kidogo.
you're going so deep now. You're going so deep right now.
Did you understand what I just said?
not everything.
Some.
Yeah.
So like now we're gonna do a test, man, in terms of like how to say hello in Swahili. Do you guys have hello in Swahili though?
Habari.
Yeah.
Habari.
That's what she said.
Can you introduce yourself in Swahili again? Can you introduce yourself in Swahili?
Habari za zile ninafaa kukutana na huyo.
But do you understand that?
Yes, I understand. Just that her accent sounds a little foreign, but the Swahili is on point.
It's because maybe she has never been to.
To Africa.
Yeah.
That which is incredible. Like, you speaking like this and you've not been to Africa. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. Like, wow. And you know, you didn't learn from school, right?
No.
So who do you practice with?
My dad.
Oh,
Your dad. Does
so
your dad also speak Swahili?
too?
Do you speak Swahili too? Can you come closer? It's good to see you walking.
See, the man a teach him household, the man a teach him yard. You understand? That's what a father's supposed to do. Watch this.
Today though.
Yes, I
appreciate.
Respect,
Yeah,
love
yeah.
all the time. Thanks.
You speak Swahili with your daughter?
Yes, I speak a little Swahili.
And where did you learn your Swahili?
We learn our Swahili online.
YouTube as well?
Yes, YouTube as well.
Wow. Why did you say to learn Swahili?
To really want to go to Kenya.
Oh, that's where I'm from.
We really love Africa, and being here in Jamaica, it's kind of hard to keep up the dialect. So I was hoping you could give her a few pointers today, you know, and give her some words. So
Yes, yes.
Because you're like our new teacher, so if you get the contact, please help us to develop our Swahili more stronger,
Oh,
so we can get
wow.
more in tune with our African ancestors and our
That's
African
beautiful.
essence and our African ways.
Wow.
In our lifestyle, because we doing our research day by day. You know, we have to reach Africa someday. You know, so we're practicing from now, we're preparing from now.
Wow.
Said he wants to reach Africa someday. Which country in Africa do you want to go?
Kenya or Tanzania.
I love that.
So we are here to tell you that your flight to Kenya and Tanzania is booked.
Woo!
That's why we came
You're
here
coming
today.
to Kenya.
So we're taking you and your dad.
You can imagine this feeling. Just imagine this feeling right here, so. Just imagine this feeling. She said she wanted to go to Kenya and Tanzania. Look at her face. Look at this expression. Look at this beautiful. I mean, I tell you, true African. Because, I mean, even look upon her facial structure. If she was in Tanzania or Kenya, you could not tell the bone structure, her face, her slender face. You could not tell that she is from Jamaica. That's the show I say is the same people. Look at her. She even look more Kenyan than even the Wadimaya wife in the middle. What's your thought and views on this one? Come on, talk to me. Make sure I say like, subscribe. Come on, don't be mean with the subscription. Come on, subscribe, man, and make the channel grow fast.
To Kenya.
Yes, sir.
Are you excited? You have such a beautiful smile. And oh, you have a dimple. Oh. Why are you hiding your smile? Yeah, but that's
Shy.
finally you're coming to Kenya. You will love it there. Do you know any Kenyan meals that you should probably try when you come to Kenya?
Ugali.
Oh, wow. Ugali and?
Yes, we do love ugali, chakula, parachichi, tikitiki maji.
Oh, wow. But you've not tried it before?
No, we've not tried it. But,
Oh, how sweet is that? You just
we don't look
study
for
it.
fufu too, you know.
Fufu is West African.
Yeah, we love
But
it.
yeah, that's amazing. We have such a wide variety of food that you will love when you come to Kenya. I'm very excited for you. And there's so many places you can go. Do you know Kenya is the only country in the world with a national park in the capital city?
No, we did not know that.
Well, now you know.
Yes, sir.
That's unique about Nairobi.
Hey.
Nairobi,
It's like,
yeah.
Is that right? Right now, I think I'm even lost because like she took over then. They're promoting Kenya already.
Because
It's
it's always
alright.
Ghana. Everyone wants to go to Ghana. So when you meet people who want to
Easy. What the man said, she took over and started promote Kenya already. You see it? Boy, I tell you, I love this.
come to Kenya, it's very exciting. And I'm just excited for what you'll see, you know? Oh,
Nervous and shy.
oh, that's so sweet. Oh.
Kenya is beautiful indeed. Kenya is beautiful.
Oh, that's so sweet. She's just happy, babes.
I know she's so shy.
Yeah.
You know, so
I have to get through the advert then.
so when I upload
You know, say high quality videos, them have video, high view videos, so you have to get through the ads them, so pay the bills them, you know what I mean? Okay, yeah, what go on.
the video, almost everyone in the comment section was like, bring it to Kenya, Tanzania. And I'm like, God, what do I do? You know, so I had to speak to a couple of people about it. And yeah, they decided to fund the trip. So we're going to Kenya, Tanzania. There's a company in
Which one?
Bonfire Adventures. They will host you in the national park, Masai Mara National Park.
Man, that's the number one place.
Yeah.
Like, oh my
They will
God.
host you for 3 days in Masai Mara National Park. So yeah, you let us know. When I touch back in Ghana, I will get back to you guys, and then we'll take it from there. So I just came here to let you know that this is the update from the video.
I'll tell you what.
It's an update from the video. Yeah.
That's what I want.
Nah, appreciate, man. I love it when we got people who appreciate Africa, and you know, we give you guys the opportunity to see the motherland for the first time. So yeah,
Come true, man.
yeah, it is what it is. So
Trust this one.
yeah, that's how we're here. So yeah,
Love, man. Going to
a lot of people loved your video. They said they want to see you in Africa. So I had to come and do that. So see you in Africa very soon.
I just have one thing to tell them.
Hey.
When they go to Kenya,
Hey, what do I say? Hey.
they have to try nyama choma. You know nyama choma?
No.
Oh, what? It is like your jack chicken, only better. Different.
Yeah, we try it.
Yeah, you have to try nyama choma. So tasty. Yes. And you also have to take a ride in a matatu. Basic. Let me tell you something. Jamaican music is big in Kenya.
Yes, sir.
So you'll see some of your artists on our cars. Also carry something warm. Carry something warm because it gets cold. Oh, you love it, don't you?
No, it's a shy.
It's so shy.
It's way over there, so.
Carry something warm because you might be cold sometimes. So, yeah. But what have you forgotten to tell them?
I mean, I don't know. I always tell people to go and find out for themselves. So that's why I came to see you today, just to let you know that from the video, everyone is saying we need to take you guys to Africa. So we're gonna make it happen. You have you guys, is there anything I have to do today? I just came to tell them that they're going to Africa, that's it. I don't know because I'm actually not feeling that fine, but I had to just wake up because this is my last week in Jamaica, just to come and tell them. Been here for a month. Yeah.
Wow, the amount of videos you have is like you've been here 100 years.
Oh, nice to meet you.
I see your stuff all the time.
Oh, wow.
I was introduced about
Okay.
Been to Africa so much time.
Oh, really?
Once. I've been
Once.
to Ghana and Liberia.
Oh, Ghana and Liberia. Oh,
My
nice.
wife and I, we celebrated our 25th anniversary in Ghana.
Wow.
So I love Africa, you know, but I love Jamaica more. You said you wanna go to Africa, right? You wanna go to Kenya.
Yeah.
What will you do when you get to Kenya?
First, maybe go to the beach.
You know, if you go to the beach, there's no beach in Nairobi. You have to go to Mombasa or is it Mombasa?
Yes.
Yeah, is it Diani?
Diani.
Yeah. Oh,
The
wow.
coast of Kenya.
Okay, and after that?
Study some Swahili.
Oh.
Make friends with some kids.
Oh.
Oh, wow. That would be cool, you know. I guess you have to be there, you know.
That would be amazing. I can't
Yeah.
wait.
Yeah.
Guys, welcome them to Kenya in the comment section and drop a comment. Let us know what they need to do when they come to Kenya, where they need to go. Yeah, that's it. Ooh, I hope I'm gonna be there. I'll take you guys to Masai Market.
Yes, sir.
Oh my goodness, you'll get the best things in Masai Market. There are some, oh my, where do we start? You can get outfits, African outfits, shoes. You see like the things you have on your,
Yes, sir.
yeah. You just African stuff.
Yeah, man. Like I say, you know, it's good to see this young Empress here doing her thing, and you know, this is mind blowing because I enjoy this. Big up Wadimaya again, once again. And if it's your first time to this channel, make sure you have subscribe. Press up the button, them like, share, comment. What is your view? What your take on this one? Because I mean, trust me, YouTuber them hit again. Just leave another impression in Jamaica, which is good because many young Empress of this age, them not interested in no Africa, no culture, and no, especially young like this. Them not interested in not speaking of Swahili and them something there. So big up the young Empress and big up the whole man, big up our father. You understand? Big up yourself, don't know. I hope you enjoy this trip here. Enjoy Africa, because every time I go to Africa, I always enjoy it. You see it, yeah, man. And like me say, I want to make sure you like and subscribe. All right? Listen to the rest of this.
Like when you want African, Kenyan, authentic Kenyan things, Masai Market is a place to go. And on Saturday and Sunday, they open in the city center. You wait and see. Like I've got to take you guys.
In fierce.
You know, I think Kenya should make truly a tourism ambassador.
Make me the ambassador, man. Like, I mean, like, what are you waiting for? Yes, I'm from Kenya. I'm very proud of my country. I'm a very proud Kenyan.
Okay.
We are not perfect, but our country has a lot to offer.
Yeah, I feel proud of your country. You mean, my girl? Proud of where you come from. You mean? Seriously. Yeah, man.
You've never been to Africa?
Never been to Africa physically.
You've never been to Africa physically? Yes. Have you been there spiritually?
Naturally.
In your dreams.
In your dreams.
Not necessarily in dreams, in an energy form. Because same bloodline,
Nice, yeah.
same bone structure, same texture here. As you expressed the other day, we're growing a bunch, so same food. You come taste the ackee. That is Africa. What difference? Same fry plantain.
Yep.
Same ugali. Or we call it tonka meal or flour.
What does Africa means to you?
Everything.
It's about tonka meal. Yo, a long time I know eat them something there, no man. Tonka meal? What? Tonka meal a serious something, Some people think say because them go foreign, them not eat them something there. Tonka meal, I don't remember how to do it. How you do tonka meal again? Show water upon it and mix it till it dry up. And stir it. Yeah, man. But you know what? My cousin used to turn caramel and he put sugar in it. Them time, I used to love them one. I never used to really like the one without the sugar. He used to turn caramel and put sugar in it. And we used to love that one still. You understand? But like, subscribe, comment. What's your views on this one? What do you think?
Africa means everything to I. When I say everything, I mean, if it wasn't for Africa, we couldn't stand so strong as Jamaican. Some of our strongest points as black people is what Marcus Garvey philosophy taught us. And it's look to Africa. It's Rastafari, look to Africa for the coming of a black king still. So if it wasn't for Africa, Jamaica wouldn't mean nothing to me. Understand? Africa is the only way I see where we could stand firm as black people in this time. African unity, African togetherness, oneness, finding self, connecting with the ancestors, connecting with your roots. The truth is, it's not even like what Africa means to me. It's like why Africa means so much to me. That's the right question. Because we lost around here in the Western world in a kind of frenzy. Our mind kind of get whitewashed in a lot of ways. Africa still hold that roots, that connection that can reset the mindset, bring us back to a process of growth, like replowing a farm and making it grow again. So the more we connect to Africa, the stronger we become.
And the funny thing is, we as Jamaican, we got Africa. Like the Virgin say, Africans always wonder why Jamaican love so much. Always want for, they build a house, them want the farm and where Jamaicans love farming. Jamaicans love to eat natural food off of the earth, out of the earth, off of the tree will come out of the earth. See? So when we go to Africa and we is like that, them find it strange. Like, why? You go Africa, you come like say, see, them not deal with farming there, so. You know what I mean? Jamaica have more trees, and when I say trees, I mean talking about fruit trees. They have a variety of fruit in a one little island in the Indies. You understand? One little small place in the Indies, and we can claim a lot of different type of fruits, type of vegetation. We have that luck. Honestly, when we go to Africa, it's like you have to search too hard for find certain type of things. I understand, okay, you're not going to find certain, but them not deal with farming this, and the kind of farming where them deal with in Africa is just the basic stuff. You know what I mean? When we are farm at Jamaica is a different level, especially when we buy land, and we have to buy enough land to make sure say we have a house so, and we have the farm around us so. So even if you buy a little, them have a thing where I'm gonna put up the video. We have a thing Africa where them call Bobo Ya. Bobo Ya. A Bobo Ya. I call it Bobo Ya, the 3-wheel thing. 3-wheel bike. See? I put up a video with it. See? A them thing there. I want on my farm. Right from one of my yard and from my same from my land. Them thing where I deal with in Africa. You understand? So when we as Jamaicans as diaspora and come back to Africa. And that we are deal with. We not deal with no going on a supermarket business and going to buy, push the shopping basket and my bubble yard me a ride. Of course you have a nice yard, but we are talking about you have your nice yard on your farm. You have your farm and you have your thing them set up. See? And you have your bubble yard where you ride on your farm and take care of your thing them. You understand? You know in no supermarket I push no Charlie. If you live from where you live from for go to Africa for go do that, you might stay where you there. You don't make no sense. Joke thing.
Flowers from the bush. It's not a fruit. But the bees pollinate it with that flowers from the bush. And it just make flowers always and make the fruit.
What that? Are the national dish above my head? Aki, Ghanaian afraid of that.
You know, every 2 months the aki give me small amount of aki because it's not aki season now. See?
You still give you aki?
Yeah, it still give me aki.
Right, we're underneath the avocado tree. See it there? It's an avocado. Right there above my head. Avocado. You know what this is, Trev?
Okay.
Yeah. You don't know? Keep behind you there and see it there.
I can't see it properly.
This one beside you and there's so much. And one over there as well, in front of you.
Look at avocado, but I can't see.
Yeah, man, a pear tree.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I find it, look at the picture. Yeah.
Straight from Jamaica, these ones. You have some where my family land now, some big one. Yeah, man, so this is the high point to show you all around. All around. From Jamaica village, high point. Ghana. I have our gongo peas, we have everything here. So reporting live from Ghana, live from Jamaica village, and reporting and continue reporting. So we have all of the trees them. We have all heap of things we can we're gonna show you, from corn to cherry to mango to cinnamon to what the next one name cinnamon. I have the other one, lemongrass. We have fever, citronella grass, everything. You understand? So we have everything here, everything. So, you understand? So get some of all of these trees. So if it's the first time on the channel, make sure you subscribe, like and comment, and anything you want me to show you here in Ghana, please like, subscribe and comment. Just let me know what you want to see. You understand? So that's what it's about. So one time I have to get rid of these bamboo, because guess what, the bamboo are destruction and snake and all type of insect, lizard and all them something. So we can't have that.
So basically what I do with the bamboo now, I do it and put it in pot. Like flowers pot, and you can keep it inside your house or inside your living room or them things. See, this thing are the natural way to heat water when you go bathing.
Just left it outside. Yeah.
So the picnic.
Yeah.
So you just heat, the sun just heat it up.
Yes, man, warm water. So it's natural warm water, as you could see. See that bucket there? So if you live in the countryside, remember, you know, this is we say off the grid. So if you're in places like this, even though we have water inside, but we like to use the traditional way for bathe. So you set a pan of water outside in the sun, Brother and Nancy style. Remember Brother and Nancy? say won't make the thing get hotter. Hotter.
What happened now, don't you so kind of bushy? Because the guinea tree that's in it. This is a green tree.
What you call it, Trev?
Skin up.
Skin up. You call it skin up.
Skin up. Guinea. So, I know that I'm passing it, or
I think.
Can we go do me? I just cut the coconut and carry it up.
Okay. Yeah, man.
Carry it to all the bush.
I think the Trevor slippers can. Trevor, you love shorts and you always are coming in a bush. Shorts and slippers. Hey!
Look at your pants are full of.
That's the reason why me wear these things.
I've been stabbed. I've been stabbed, but I've been bruised.
No, sir, me can't take that.
You got a nice color.
Because you see what happened? later on it started itching and the,
When I'm in Grenada, right? Oscar, when I come back from the
And to teach even Africa that, hey, we need them. We need them to stay strong, for connect us back, because we don't run us in the Western world, where it's not really, we're not Western people. Understand? So that Africa really mean to I and I.
Is that the reason why you decided to speak Swahili with your daughter?
That's the reason why I decided to speak Swahili, because we have to connect back to the motherland. And even when you see us go to Africa, it's not just to go to Africa to look around, and it's really to get connect on a mental, spiritual basis. It's to connect self with what is truly belonging to us from morning, what a lot of people fighting to say they don't want us Jamaicans to go and see what Africa is, to bring the knowledge we will gain in Jamaica to enhance Africa, and to take the knowledge that we have in Africa to come enhance the people in Jamaica as well. The growth, the new idea where Africa can give to a Jamaican man, the new idea where a Jamaican man can give to an African man, to show that we are one and how we can grow together and build ourselves in a unified sense.
yeah, man, and Africans, if you understand this, when you see Jamaican come out Africa, no joke thing, we not come to come
Boy.
like a foreign we come.
Serious
You understand?
man,
We come home to come build up.
the African
You understand?
sun come blazing.
We come home to come increase. We not come to come joke, because a lot of Africans don't understand
African
the concept
man.
of what this bridging here say. Even a lot of Jamaicans don't even understand it. They're not interested in it either. You know, a lot of other diasporans don't understand it. I'm not interested in it, because for deal with Africa and for go Africa and for have the mindset of where you want to relocate in that space, you have to have certain consciousness. You have to have certain way of thinking. You understand? You can't just get up and say you run Ghana, Africa. I'm gonna do a video about that. You know, I'm gonna do a video about that. Honestly, for share my experience and the things and the don'ts and the do's. But trust me, right now is the right thing to do. You understand? Well, I may say, you only have to have a mindset. Africa is not like New York City. You go running and you want. I mean, you have certain part of Africa is like that. You understand? You have certain developed part of Africa where there's no different from US or UK or Canada or any one of these first world countries, so-called. You understand? But me now go leave foreign, what we call foreign, like US and UK and all of these developed places. Forgot Africa, forgot sit down in a high-rise building and skyscraper. I go there to make sure I have my house on a nice piece of land, and I have my farm, and my animals, them, and my thing them, and I wear my water boot, and them thing there, and I have my bubble here, and I have my little tractor where I drive, go up on my farm. Them thing, the natural thing we I deal with. You understand? If you're not deal with that, it make no sense. You understand? And a lot of people go to Africa. Let me try to save that for another video. Anyway, we finish that video here. Watch this.
It's not just to love everything and party, and it's more like to be on a conscious meditation of growth, how we can bring the race forward, to make a platform for the youth them to come after us and make the ancestors proud, because we are our ancestors within this time.
Yep.
Yes, right? And we're all here for a reason. Like Maliduma, Patrice, Summit.
When you see farm like this, I saw man thing for said, even though there's not, well, how are them the pineapple? I try to see our kind of thing. I know I see planting, because most in Africa, they don't really deal with banana too much, but you understand, mostly planting. Everywhere you go, planting. You understand? Everywhere you go in Africa, they have this planting business there. You understand? But anyway.
Say, you know, from Burkina Faso, you know, we are all here for a reason, a purpose. We didn't just come here on a joyride.
Yep.
We didn't just come here to Jamaica to play. No,
exactly.
The water, fire, nice, but you know, it's not just that. It's the root of the connection of the ancestors and bring you through this time. You never have to reach us. So I never must be alive. You say I sit down like I'm here, but I am 1 inch away from death. The 14th of December, I almost lose my life. Wow. Right in front of my daughter. What happened? I fall out of a tall tree. I try to pick some medicine, because as I tell you, I deal with medicine and healing. I try to help everyone with the knowledge that the ancestors.
Why, brother, sorry for you that you know, sorry for you that you know, you fall out of a tree. Yo, she I know. Yo, serious something this. Yo, trust me. Yeah, man. Give God thanks and praise, man. Praise to the Most High if you know say you survive this and can able to tell that tale. You understand? Receive, sir, receive.
Give to me.
Noted.
So I just know, so even this trip where you bring come give to her is not I and I. It's the ancestors within I show her. It says, here, look at this. Africa need energy like I and I over there for uplift and to build and to create and to bring our youth to help to develop ourselves too. Because we need that strength. We could have funded it ourselves. Wow. So we'd have to use the mind and attract it. So you probably see us doing it, but we know so we did it with the mind. We sit down, me and my daughter, and speak Swahili to each other every day and watch the videos them and now you come and bring us to Africa. That I teach we say the mind is the most powerful weapon and that we live from the African mind, not there just any mind. The mind from Africa where the ancestors them give to I and I, where them been using long before all of this corruption and confusion. So it's a living testimony. So Africa live. So that's why I say I walk with this Africa around I. Everywhere I go and I give the I one.
And he's the one who gave me the one that
I thought when
yes,
you gave him, you remained with the none.
No.
What the time is it?
This is Africa, man.
Yeah, man. No, and even if people touch that, brother, not even touch people, don't touch it. Let me say.
Wow.
Try going back to Africa with you, brother. That's not alright. I agree with that.
Wow. Connecting Africans in the diaspora with the continent of Africa is a campaign that I'm embarking on, and I want you all to come along with me because I am definitely putting my whole life savings on this because I really want to see the smiles on their faces whenever they touch down on the motherland. So hey, the link is in the description. Any amount that you can do to support this campaign, please don't disappoint me. I know it's so sensitive to talk about money. I would love to do this all by myself, but I have you, and that's why I'm asking you. Listen, don't disappoint me. It would be so cool to see 20 Africans from different parts of the countries that I've visited connecting back to their favorite country on the continent. Please do me a favor, $1 or $2 will make a difference. My name is Watermaya. Don't forget to like this video, share this video to your friends and family to support Watermaya's vision. Thank you, and I'll see you all in the next one. Peace out.
Education is the
Boy, I like this. I like what I do. I endorse it 100%. Empress, I hope you really enjoy yourself going there and big up yourself. Big up your father too. I don't know. You understand me? You wish I say.
medium by which people are prepared for their duties and responsibilities. If one is badly educated, he must naturally fail in the proper assumption of his duties and responsibilities. No one is ever too old to learn. Therefore, you should take advantage of every educational facility. Get knowledge, get it quickly, get it studiously. Knowledge is power. Use every spare time you have in reading, don't waste time. The world's greatest men and women educated themselves outside of the university. You have the opportunity of doing the same thing the university students do. Read, study, be learned, that is all worthwhile knowing.
Yeah, man. Big up yourself, definitely. 100%. 100%. So you don't know, is this one is mind blowing. This one is mind blowing. Me 100% the behind this one. Like me say, it's the first time for this channel. Make sure you like, subscribe, and all of the above. You understand? Share. Let me know your thoughts on this one. Let me know what you think. Let me know your views. You understand? So until the next one, you don't know. It's a boy Taz Pro Media. Shalom. The next video.